This follows an escalating spate of fire outbreaks across the country, with the most recent one having been reported on 21st of September, which gutted Sideview Nursery and Primary School of Chinawataka in Nakawa Division and left valuable school property destroyed. According to Rusoke Kituuma, the police spokesperson, this should be treated as a case study for those who own public facilities to stop their lazy habit of waiting for fire corps, but also equip their premises with firefighting equipments.
Everybody wants to look out for somebody to blame. And the easiest organization people have always found to blame has always been police. We have been blamed for almost everything. We tell people, get a fire extinguisher. He doesn't. We tell people, cover your manholes. Children are very playful. A child is going to fall into a manhole, we shall come and apprehend that headmaster or the school administrator. We have advised people on almost everything humanly possible, but they don't listen to us. They only wait for these occasions and then heap blames on us as police.
In the same vein, he noted with concern the growing reckless habit among members of the public, where they make false fire alarms to the Fire and Emergency Rescue Service helpline, that whoever shall be caught risk facing the wrath of the law.
We have people who give us bogus calls. Actually, in our police language, we call them kaloli. Somebody calls claiming that there is a fire here, there is a this there, whereas the incident is not there. Now that one is not only reckless, but it is criminal in nature. Should we get you, don't regret our actions. We shall really handle you the way the law dictates.
Rusoke went ahead and appealed to road users, especially motorists, to consider providing right-of-way to fire and emergency rescue service vehicles.
They get challenges of people who do not respect fire trucks. We come with our sirens, we reflect to you that there is an emergency, but we usually have these stubborn motorists who not only block our fire trucks, but even keep the wrong way. And by the way, we have warned you, we shall really be rough on you.
On the other hand, he called upon anyone with substantial evidence against the renowned Nasa Nduhukire, who is popularly known as Don Nasa, to reach out to police to enable prosecution.
We urge the public, especially victims and those with relevant information to this matter, to come forward. We also encourage those with similar experiences. We have wind that what is suspected to have been done by Don Nasa is being done around, especially in the suburbs of Kampala City and Wakiso. Please, if you are a victim of similar circumstances, or if in your neighborhood similar activities are going on, please reach out to police.
Don Nasa was arrested on 20th of September at the Malaba border on counts of aggravated trafficking in children, drug abuse, sexual exploitation, defilement, among others. According to police, Nasa has been arraigned before the Uganda Road Court and subsequently remanded to prison this morning as they continue with investigations. Joseph Kabale, UCTV News.